Today's Tuesday, July 28th. This is the 1967 Air-Ride Leveling System. The rear shocks from my friend Bob in Ohio. This is video number 2 as part of his order. Included in the order are the Air-Ride Leveling shocks. These are specific to 1967, 1 year only design, double threaded both ends. These are the vertical shocks that facilitate the leveling of the car from the trunk mounted vacuum driven air compressor tank unit that feeds air into the vertical shocks. And then we have the horizontal shocks, which are mounted at an acute angle also in the rear, acting as stabilizers for the overall lifting of the rear system. So in the rear 1967 Cadillac Eldorado, we have 2 vertical shocks and 2 horizontal shocks. These are Air-Ride Leveling for the vertical and 100% hydraulic oil for the horizontal stabilizing shocks. Both sets, rear mounting. This is the gasket for the final drive, the front final differential. Okay, this is the 10-bolt variant. There's also a couple of spark plug wire separators, original vintage 429 wire separators. We have the 1968 choke for the Rochester carburetor, which is an exact replacement for what's in the car now. And we were fortunate to have the left-hand rear cylinder for the braking system, for the drum brakes. So we have that complete, perfect match to the rusted out original. Included in this video is the original 1967 T3 with the rib #1 internal mount headlamp. That's already boxed. We have a separate video for that. So I'll be sending this video to Bob to get his okay to ship reply confirmation, and everything will be going out tomorrow. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 Eldorado, 250,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, steering columns, the Air-Ride Leveling system, the instrument cluster, and the power seat mechanisms and other critical, hard-to-find components. Today is Tuesday, July 28th. Thank you very kindly.